Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the Alo Yoga cinch shorts in the color chestnut. Now I had been eyeing these shorts for a very long time and I finally did it. I pulled the plug and I tried them. Now my motivation for finally pulling the plug and trying these is a little strange. First of all, I really liked the low-key sweat shorts that you've seen on this channel a few times now in both the oatmeal and the red hot summer color. But also because I tried on the Lululemon dancer shorts and I absolutely love them. Like they are my new favorite short ever. And I just wanted to see if Alo Yoga could hang. Like I just wanted to try on kind of an Alo Yoga equivalent. Now, what attracted me to these shorts originally was the simple silhouette. I thought they looked similar to the low-key sweat shorts, the similar length, and the overall look and feel of the fabric. I didn't want something that was kind of like the Alo stride short because they are a little bit more flowy, a little bit more minimal, and I wanted something that was kind of gonna hold its silhouette. Now trying these on, I was not disappointed. I actually really liked them and I really liked the flexibility to add, the cinch at the bottom or keep them long. However, I do think I would probably keep them long or, a little bit cinched. I think it just gives a cute little detail that if it is really hot, will allow you to, get the shorts out of the way, but also, keep them at the longer length, which is kind of where my comfort level lies. Now, the one thing I didn't love about these was the waistband. I thought it looked a little bit kind of trash baggy and kind of like thick and uncomfortable. Although it didn't feel uncomfortable, I felt like it looked like it felt uncomfortable, which is never really the vibe. You always want to look effortless and kind of easy breezy, something that looks natural. Now, I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments below if you like this style, if you think it does look natural, that's great. I think it could also be the color that I chose. So maybe in the black colorway, it would be a little bit less noticeable. But I also kind of think that it's just the cinch. So let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.